This channel is the epicenter for sellers and buyers to find themselves, trade and shake hands, of course, virtually. Here, you will be able to sell anything, buy anything, and find everything used or new, easily, quickly, and conveniently. From household items, personal effects, automobiles, property, hospitality, sports, event centers, to services and more. This channel will constantly bring you offers and connect you to a trading partner. Hi everyone, my name is T. Romeo. I'm your presenter and this is Market Ground Zero. Being an interactive channel, you will get the opportunity to comment, discuss, and ask pertinent questions on all available offers, whether you're selling or buying. You will get the chance to intently watch and assess the quality of the items on offer and follow a voice-over description that will effectively promote and describe the goods and services on display. The world is a marketplace, and the marketplace is right here on Market Ground Zero. Introductory offer: Toyota Land Cruiser GXR Grand Extreme Rally. This 7-seater SUV is powerful, reliable, fuel efficient, and gloriously luxurious. This is a professionally certified used vehicle in absolute pristine condition. All mechanical and electrical components in excellent condition. Price: 8 million naira. Location: Ikeja, Lagos. Leave a message or contact us to arrange an inspection. So, you will do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, like, and share the videos. Please remember to click the notification bell so you can be alerted when there is a new video.